Students, welcome to my second revision video lecture of chapter 2 fractions and decimal. Before I start my video lecture, I would like to introduce our textbook of math standard 7. It is from S. Chan Smart Math standard 7. You can look the book over here and you can buy from any bookshop. Most of the students have bought already, but who did not buy till now, please go to the shop and buy this book. Anita Sharma and Dr. K.P. Chinda are the author of this book. So take the screenshot of this page so you can buy this one only. Thank you. Now we will move forward. So this is my second revision video lecture of chapter 2 fractions and decimal. In this video lecture we will revise our chapter about multiplication of fractions. So what is my first slide? Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. For example, 4 multiplied by 2 by 5. You can see that 4 multiplied by 2 by 5. So here 4 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a fraction. So how will you do this multiplication? Here whole number will be multiplied by the numerator of fraction. So you can see that 4 multiplied by 2 and denominator will be same, because when we are taking whole number 4, there will be a denominator as a 1. So 4 multiplied by 2 and in denominator's place will be 5. So our answer will be 8 by 5. You can see that. So like this you can do multiplication of whole number and fraction. Fraction as an operator of. When a fraction is used with the word of, it acts as an operator. It acts as an operator. Here it is given, for example, 1/3 of a dozen, 12 piece. So what is meaning of 1/3 of 12? So 1/3 of 12 means 1/3 multiplied by 12. So it will be like this, 1 multiplied by 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So 1/3 of 12 is equal to 4. Now here we are finding out one more, 1, 4, 5 of 20. So you can see that 4 by 5. So the numerator will be multiplied by that whole number and then divided by 5. 4 20 24 is 80 divided by 5. Answer will be 16. Here second one is 3/4 of. It is not showing 3/4 of 36. It is like this. 3/4 of 36. So 3 multiplied by 36 divided by 4. Now as we know, there's 4 9s are 36. So what will be there? 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27 will be our right final answer. Now we will find out 1/2 of 2 3 by 4. So here both are fractions. So whenever you are having mixed fraction, what you will do first? You have to convert it in a proper fraction. So here what we will do first? We will convert 3 by 4 into proper fraction. So it will become 11 by 4. So now it is like that only, 1/2. Here you can see 1 multiplied by 11. So numerator will be multiplied by numerator of other fraction and denominator will be multiplied by denominator of other fraction. So 1 into 11 and in the denominator's place 2 into 4. So our answer is 11 by 8. Here it is also like that. 5 by 8 of 9, 2 by 3. So first we will convert our mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 9, 2 by 3 will become 29 by 3. So 5 will be multiplied by 29 and 8 will be multiplied by 3. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator of other fraction and denominator will be multiplied by denominator of other fraction. So our answer will be like this, and in the last I have converted it in mixed fraction. So final answer is 6, 1 by 24. Which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. In this two pair, you have to find out which one is greater. So what we are doing here, you know that how to find out of. So 2 3s are and 7 4s are. Final answer is 3 by 14. And here 3 into 5 and 5 into 8. So answer is 3 by 8. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator of other fraction and denominator will be multiplied by denominator of other fraction. But now here in 3 by 14 and 3 by 8, denominators are not same. So what we have to do? We have to convert them in like fraction. So what will be the LCM? LCM of 14 and 8 will be 56. So now we are converting this in denominator in 56 and this one is also denominator we want to convert in 56. So at the last it become 12 by 56 and 21 by 56. So now you can decide. Obviously 12 by 56 is less than 21 by 56. So whenever you have to compare fraction, if they are not like fraction, first you have to convert them in like fraction, then only you will be able to compare them. Now multiplication of two fractions. When you have to multiply two fractions, what will you do? It is so simple. When you have to multiply two fractions, multiply the numerator of the two fractions, multiply the denominator of the two fractions. Here I want to multiply these two fractions. So 1/2 into 4 by 5. So 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 5. So 1 4s are 4 and the denominator is 2 5s are 10. Simplify the fraction obtained in step 3. So 4 by 10. Now you know that 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So 2 2 will be go away. So answer will be 2 by 5. Like this you can simplify. And all of you have learnt already in standard 5th how to simplify the fractions. Fill in the boxes to make the multiplication fact true. 5 by 6 into, there is no answer is given and answer will be 75. So I want to find out the fill in the blank. So I will take this 6, this fraction other side. So whenever you are taking the fraction on other side, the reciprocal will be multiplied. So here what I have do? I have done 75 will be multiplied by reciprocal of 5 by 6. So my reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. So it is like this. Now your answer will be here. So answer you have to find out. Now 53 divided by 15 multiplied by 2. 53 divided by 45. So I want to find out this. So how I can do that? So what we will do, the reciprocal of this one will be multiplied by So 53 multiply 45 multiplied by 15 into 53. Sorry, 15 by 53. Now this one will be go there. So here you can see that. Now again what will be there? 53 by 15, 45 by 53 and 2 then will be like this. So now you can simplify this and you can find out the answer. Next one, a sum. I would like to discuss one sum. It is from exercise 2.1. Sorry, it is for exercise 2.2, page number 34 in textbook. The sum is like this. Find the area. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 3 1/4 and breadth is 2 1/3. Area we want to find out. Square is like, so whenever we are taking square, you know that, sorry, we are taking rectangle and the length is 3 1/4 meter and the breadth is 2 1/3 meter, and we want to find out the area. So how can we find out the area? So simple, we know that area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So 3 1/4 multiplied by 2 1/3. Now first thing what you have to do? First you have to convert this in simple proper fraction. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13/4 multiplied by 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7/3. Now you have to do multiplication. So 13 7s are divided by. So like this you will get, and it will be your answer. Like this you have to find out this answer. Okay, next one is like this. Evaluate and express a mixed fraction. Here you have to find out this one. And a square playground, 40 meter and 3/4. It is 40 3/4 meter long, and you have to find out area. So I want to give you hint, square. So all sides are same. So what is the equation for area of square? It is like this. L multiplied by L. So you will get the answer. 4 of length. Like this you can find out. When you have to find out area of square, so what you have to do? You have to multiply length with length, or you can say L square also. Now second sum is also like a simple multiplication. You can do your own way. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.